Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have multiple work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Nike. They're looking for a platform operations manager. It pays up to $107,500 a year. Become a part of the Nike Inc. team. Nike Inc. does more than outfit the world's best athletes. It is a place to explore potential, obliterate boundaries, and push out the edges of what can be. The company looks for people who can grow, think, dream, and create. Its culture thrives by embracing diversity and rewarding imagination. The brand seeks achievers, leaders, and visionaries. At Nike Inc., it's about each person bringing skills and passion to a challenging and constantly evolving game. From our flagship website and 5-star mobile apps to social media, digital marketing, and the retail store experience, our teams at Nike Digital are reimagining how design and technology meet to serve consumers more directly and personally. We invest in cutting-edge technologies and work with the most creative people in the world. Our teams are innovative, diverse, multidisciplinary, and collaborative, taking technology into the future and bringing the world with it. At the heart of this evolution is the Nike Direct digital commerce platform business operations team, who strive to seamlessly deliver seasonal moments and consumer experiences across all of Nike's digital platforms, 24 divided by 7 divided by 365. This team delivers results by building strong cross-functional partnerships, leading the planning effort for priority consumer and commercial moments, and implementing those moments with precision. We are looking for. Our next platform operations manager will support the Nike platform operations director in carrying out key initiatives, delivering consumer experiences, and ensuring Nike Direct's digital platforms are optimized to serve our consumers. The role demands a strong communicator, a keen attention to detail, a talent for digital tools and process, and a hunger to continuously learn and grow. What you will work on. This person will work with a host of partners and teammates within the Nike Direct digital commerce team focused on Nike.com and email platforms. You will unify and align teams to implement priority consumer moments, use your knowledge of technology and tools to address platform friction points, and ensure our platforms are optimized to deliver seamless consumer experiences. Your expertise and voice will play a key role in shaping Nike.com and email and strategies. And we need someone to continuously seek and deliver process improvement, making future consumer experiences better. A typical week will consist of using a suite of planning and data systems to update product information and ensure products are ready for key moments, using communication tools and facilitating planning sessions to ensure teammates and partners are aligned and prepared to implement, regularly assessing our platforms from the perspective of the consumer to identify and address friction points, and leading teams through execution of our most important Nike.com and email strategies with a deep focus on precision and accuracy. Who you will work with. In this role, you'll work closely with a number of cross-functional partners and teammates within the Nike Direct digital commerce organization, including platform business teams, digital brand, membership, merchandising, supply chain, production support, consumer services, and operations. What you bring: bachelor, master's degree in business, marketing, or technology or related field or equivalent combination of education and experience. A minimum of 3 years experience in retail, e-commerce, or related field. An ability to manage and lead cross-functional team projects, strong communication skills both written and verbal, ability to clearly articulate goals and objectives, a deep attention to detail and commitment to accuracy and precision, strong understanding of digital commerce, user experience best methods and technology jargon, capable of thriving in a dynamic, fast-paced, often ambiguous environment. An ability to work and learn independently and collaboratively in diverse teams, a willingness to support occasional after-hours effort in support of key initiatives, open to remote work except cannot work in South Dakota, Vermont, and West Virginia. These candidates will be required to relocate. For employees based in Colorado, this position starts at $107,500 per year. Information about benefits. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Nike. They're looking for a cybersecurity training and awareness analyst. It pays up to $76,000 a year. Who are we looking for? We're looking for a cybersecurity training and awareness analyst. We're looking for someone with a minimum 5 years of experience in security awareness, training, marketing communications, content development, and events planning. The candidate needs to have a proven track record in security awareness training and what will you work on? Plan and complete security awareness initiatives to reach the target audience through appropriate channels. Develop tailored cybersecurity role-based personas, learning paths, design courses that are foundational to desired secure behaviors in compliance with security policies, procedures, and standards, as well as other courses to be developed and deployed in connection with enterprise risk management or security risk assessment findings and remediation. Who will you work with? Provide in-person training sessions with various teams around cybersecurity standard processes. Provide input to strategic vision crafted to reduce employee, contractor, and third-party risk while aligning security awareness program with the enterprise's greatest risks and measure the impact in risk reduction. Evaluate the efficiency and engagement levels of L&D programs through surveys and metrics to provide feedback to management and further hone our process. What you will bring: bachelor's degree or higher or a combination of relevant education, experience, and training. Strong MS Office skills including Visio, Excel, PowerPoint, Project, and SharePoint. Quick communication and presentation skills. Detailed understanding of adult learning and organizational change principles and theories, such as experiential learning, self-directed learning, and daring learning. Experience in instructional design, e-learning, and curriculum creation and learning management systems. Open to remote work, except cannot work in South Dakota, Vermont, and West Virginia. These candidates will be required to relocate. For employees based in Colorado, this position starts at $76,000 per year.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
Below under job number 2 so you can
apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this video and every single
day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Nike. They're looking for a principal business architect. It pays up to $163,000 a year. Who we are looking for? We are seeking a principal business architect to be a business operational expert, consultant, and partner to our collaborators including business product management, technical product management, and fellow architects. You are an outstanding teammate that is motivated to work in a highly collaborative and agile environment. You have proven knowledge of business architecture methodology and framework. You have an appetite for continuous learning and a passion and desire for meeting critical business needs and serving our customers with creative operational solutions. You appreciate for Nike's culture and its people. We need someone with a broad range of business operations experience, someone who can advise business leaders or roll up their sleeves and deliver business architecture artifacts as needed. What you will work on: you will work with business functions to facilitate business strategy and requirements and provide complete business and operational architecture solutions for large-scale initiatives of high complexity. You also will lead cross-functional, cross-geography working teams in addition to provide complete business architecture for most functions. You will lead formulation of one or more business transformation programs of high complexity including define Nike's operating model and develop Nike's target architectures. You will also lead efforts whose goals are to craft and deliver significant improvement to Nike's operational capabilities. You need to gain a high level of influence and build relationships with key business and its stakeholders in order to act in the role of executive advisor. In some cases, you also help functions think through and define their business strategy, impacts to several service functions, and resulting requirements, and coach and mentor less experienced business architects. What you bring: for you to be successful in this role, you need to have demonstrable experience in most of the following. Required: bachelor's degree in business administration, information technology, or combination of relevant education, experience, and training. 10+ years working experience in a combination of business architecture, business or a consulting, business operations or integration role, and operations management, senior staff roles. 3+ years in a business architecture role. Deep expertise in 2 or more business capability domains but fluency in all. Fluency in operational fields with practical experience in managing operations. Expertise in most business architecture areas, including business process design and governance. Skills in advising federated teams comprised of direct reports, matrix reports, and third parties. Program implementation skills, including project portfolio management and planning, reporting, and advising the work of others across multiple implementation projects concurrently. ability to mentor team members, ability to drive organization-wide change driven by significant, innovative ideas, excellent verbal and written communication and collaboration skills to effectively connect with both business and technical teams, ability to build and maintain relationships with peers and partners, self-motivation, strong tolerance for ambiguity and strategic agility, preferred master's degree in business administration, science, or combination of relevant education, experience, and training, extensive knowledge of consumer goods and or retail industries, proficiency in 2 or more technology domains, open to remote work except cannot work in South Dakota, Vermont, and West Virginia. These candidates will be required to relocate. For employees based in Colorado, this position starts at $163,000 per year.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
Below under job number 3 so you can apply
right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this channel every single day.
So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.